This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling essentials and making the first moves. You already know the region and season. Once done, review recent community reports to narrow search zones. Make sure to pack binoculars, a camera with a 200 or longer lens, a field notebook, and weatherproof clothing. Also secure any required permits or park passes now, because delay costs daylight. Move deliberately toward likely habitats, edges of bamboo groves or mixed forest clearings. So you can begin observation, you proceed by methodically tracking signs and narrowing your search area. First, get to a vantage. Scan the terrain in sweeping patterns with 10x binoculars because movement is subtle and brief. Then, move on foot along 100-meter lanes. Check for tracks, droppings, rust-colored fur caught on branches, and disturbed feeding sites. These are strong indicators. Make sure to log coordinates and timestamps for every clue, because patterns emerge when you map them. Once you connect multiple signs, you can anticipate likely crossing points. You finish by confirming the Rust Panda and handling issues that arise. Approach quietly, staying downwind, and use a hide or vehicle blind to avoid startling it. When you have a shot, use burst mode to capture fast movement and take multiple angles to validate the ID. If you miss it, adjust your time window, try dawn or dusk, expand your radius to twice the search area, and consult local trackers for recent reports. One key tip: if detection fails, change elevation before moving laterally, because animals often shift altitude first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.